Hello everybody, welcome back to Joystick. I'm joined here with White and me, Jelix Fawn. Like I said, we probably wouldn't clear in this episode. Do you want me to tell you a little secret? I haven't been any farther than you have.
Oh, really?
And I played this for over 25 minutes.
Yeah? Okay. Okay, bud. Okay, bud.
Okay. See you tomorrow. Oh.
This game can just fuck itself. Like right now, it's just I'm kind of like a real sarcastic angry. I'm not like actually.
No, but you're getting there. I
that
can
angry,
feel it.
But I am starting to get kind of mad.
You're not to white hot rage levels yet.
Just gonna.
It's gonna
fucking
bounce.
Doink. Well,
Oh,
man, this is gonna have to get cut so bad.
Oh man.
I feel bad for you when you have to edit this. This is gonna be an hour of me fucking up into this side of this. I can't wait till I get to like the fucking top, and then I like
biff it.
just dig
all the way back
on
down.
the ground.
Yeah.
Eat my ass. It's like sometimes it's like you can hope that might stick. And other times it's like you can go fuck
I feel like
yourself.
this gets worse because the more you do this, the more you just want to throw the axe, and that's not what you want to do all the time. Sometimes you just have to finesse it like that. And then...
There we go. Okay. And go fuck yourself. Yep.
Dink.
This is just a shitty spot right here, and you can't. There's just no going back. You're in it to win it now.
If you can at least get to the spot that I got to, then I'll let you use the shuriken.
No, I gotta do it with the axe. I'm kind of set.
Are we doing this to completion or just doing a couple episodes?
Yeah, we're gonna figure it out.
Depends how my sanity is in the next episode. Aww.
What is that, dude? Come
I think that's the
on.
worst part. At least in the Bennett's body, getting over it, the sledgehammer would actually get stuck on things, you know? But this just does not get stuck in the stone.
Fuck, dude. Oh yeah, because you had the pot.
Yeah.
And the pot.
You could you don't have to fling yourself all the time. You can set yourself down and blah blah blah. It was like physics based. Well, I guess this is physics based too, but. Oh shit! I just looked up. There's a spider inside my lamp, all the way up above you.
That sucks.
That's a big boy. Jelix,
Juicy boy.
take a picture of that. Oh shit,
Yes.
Oh, I'll figure
This
that
is
out
the
later.
spot.
Jelix, in the future, take a picture of it because I'm probably not gonna clean.
I got it good.
I think it's worse because it's getting steamy in here now from the rage.
The body heat.
The body. At this point, sometimes I would just go back just for a change of scenery. Oh.
I just want to get it as far over that way as I can. No. I don't know what I want to do. I feel like I need to go over there.
No, you don't.
No. Okay.
I'm just gonna let you in now that you don't want to go that way.
Fuck a duck, dude. Okay.
You gotta angle it in more. There you go.
Bam.
This is the hard part. That's a stone. So you have to.
Yep. Yes. Oh man, I think I figured this part out. I think I could get up to where you need to get.
I think you think you're going crazy.
No, I do actually think I got that part. Because if I could get like right here, then it's pretty easy to get up on top.
If.
It's just going from
If is good.
Fuck. Why did it go back that way?
Yeah, that's the worst part is because when you think you're gonna go forward, you don't. You think you can do these things, but you can't, Nemo.
You think you can do these things, but you just can't, Nemo.
Yeah, you're better off not touching that pole. Like right there,
Yeah, that's a good
and then you want to land right on top of that bitch. Just right on top of that. Nope. Oh.
Okay.
And leap of fate. You didn't make it, but at least you're up here. All right, so just lightly click on it. There you go. There you go.
That's a fucking pro move right there, baby.
See, this is what my 20 plus minutes was.
And we're back.
Trying to help.
Yep.
Nope. just think we have other episodes to do after this. Oh,
Yeah, it was easy.
get rid of that reminder. Del, get the fuck out of here.
Beats? Yeah, it was
Pro strat.
What?
I'm sorry, I jinxed it. That was my bad.
That was mean. That was
sorry.
so not
I'm
nice.
so sorry. Ooh,
That was a good spot.
yeah, you're getting good. You're getting good at that.
Not that though. That was just fucking poopy balls. See, I'm telling you, I got that spot. I got that spot in the bag. It's going from there and up again.
Oh man, you got that down to a science.
That spot's fucking easy. Okay. Okay.
Oh.
I knew that was gonna happen.
Yeah. Nope. You can try it from the right side if you want, but I'm telling you, it's impossible.
Yeah, it's valid. Man, dude, dude. Not that time, not bad.
It's not gonna happen because the axis the wrong way now.
Yeah, fuck. I could probably get it from right there, though. Nope.
Nope.
Yeah, I'm putting too much ass on it. A little less ass.
Too much oomph. Excuse me, I'm sorry, I'm disgusting whore. Woo!
Easy. Game over.
And it's going back down. Our Father, who art in heaven, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
And hell, this game is. Oh.
See, like sometimes when I was in your shoes, I'd just go back and hope I hit the post and then go back. That's a pro move right there.
Nope, nope, that's back down.
See, I wish you could do things mid-air, but you can't.
You think you could do this next thing?
You think you can do these things, but you just can't, Nemo.
You think you can do these things, Nemo?
But you fucking can't. This is easy spot. Easy does it. Nope. I needed to not go. That.
Yeah!
There we go. I knew what I was doing the entire time. Yo.
So, next episode.
We'll be back. I think you're gonna have enough content that you can cut this out and just be like 30 minutes later. We. Bitch. Oh. That's it.
Oh, that's hot. Yeah. I wish there was like a spike on your axe's that handle. Alright, so for this one, you went less of an angle.
Like it's just a fucking.
No, I'm sorry. Greater of an angle.
Oh, like that? Like this?
Yeah, like that, but not that far. A little bit back. Pull it back some. A little more juice.
That's as far back as
That's
she's
probably
going.
good.
Right here?
Yep. Now for this next one, you have a little lip of safety.
Yeah.
Safety lip.
Okay, it's gonna go.
Don't go straight up. Go
Yeah.
like a little bit more right. Right there.
You did it.
Oh, it's almost the end of the episode. We made progress. All right, tip tap it. There you go. The pro move right there. That rock kind of looks like some kind of animal, like a dog or a bird or.
Oh, I was thinking of like a rhinoceros with it.
Oh, I can see the rhinoceros. Jelix, put a picture for rhinoceros up next against it. Okay, this is the hard part. Do you want to save it for next time?
Yeah, so
All
they
right.
can end on good hope, and then it can get ruined next episode.
We're going to log it down here. Subscribe, become a key today, unlock future content. Leave a like and comment which you want to see next. And, shit. Yeah. Hit that bell so you can see future content. Thank you. Yeah. Bye, friends.
Bye.
I think you're gonna make this next jump. Are you sure?
Absolutely fucking not.
I have faith in you, man. You're the Antichrist. You can do many things.